Dear students, good morning. Welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and a motivator. Today in my class, I would like to take your topic, that is article writing. Article writing, this is an art of writing. In writing skills, there are different topics, and among them article writing is very important to be known to us. We all have to know there are four types of articles. First one, that is containing advantages. For example, there is one topic, that is go green, value of trees, value of books. Actually, there is no harm of trees, though there is no harm from books. So these are called articles containing advantages. Second one, there is the topic articles containing disadvantages. For example, there are different types of problems as population problem. Next one, the problem of begging in India, the problem of poverty in India, the problem of starvation in any country, and there is the problem COVID-19. This is also a disease. So on these topics, if we write articles, definitely there are disadvantages. So second one, that is containing disadvantages. Third one is called containing advantages and disadvantages both. In this type of article, we have to take, for example, there are actually advantages of computer and disadvantages of computer, and there is a mobile. There is actually advantage and disadvantage of mobile. So this is the third type, containing advantages and disadvantages both. And fourth one, that is actually the general topic. For example, there is any survey of anything, survey of population, survey of actually land, survey of trees and plants, and like this, actually if there is any topic, so this is called general article. And regarding writing these articles, first of all we have to see the nature of the topic, and then we have to think and we have to make points, and then must go on writing, must start writing. And while writing, we have to actually keep these important things in our mind. First of all, the writing must be very fair and it must be neat and clean. And while writing, we have not to write this article in paragraphs. Only it will be in running. From the very beginning up to the end, there will be only one paragraph. And next point, that is the word limit. Word limit for any article, that is 200 for plus 2. Maybe more than 200, maybe less than 200 if that is freehand. But especially for the students of 11th and 12th classes, the word limit, that is 200, maybe 210, maybe 190, like this. And our language must be grammatically correct. There must not be mistakes of tenses, and we must make our language effective with the use of idioms and phrases and figures of speech. Then we may secure very good marks in actually article writing, and the weightage of this article, that is 10 marks. And I hope that you have understood how to write an article, and one by one I'll take on all the four types in your next classes. Thank you.